Hi guys, welcome to another video tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Bodnar. In this video tutorial, I'm going to speak about C++, namely pointers. A pointer is a variable which can store the memory address of another variable. Actually, the pointer will point to memory address of another variable. Let's make an example. I'm going to declare an integer variable named a, assigned by value 20. Yeah, and on the other line, I'm going to declare a pointer using the same type as the variable which the pointer is going to point to, so integer. And after, either you're going to use this asterisk right after the type or before the name of the pointer, you will get the same result. So you can use the both methods to declare a pointer. And I'm going to assign this pointer with the memory address of this variable a. To produce the address, the memory address of this variable a, you have to use this operator known ampersand. But in this case, when we talk about pointers, this operator is called the address of operator. And in order to produce the memory address of this variable a, you have to use this operator, address of operator, together with a variable, in my case a, semicolon. Yeah, and now let's use this object cout to display the content of the pointer PA. So let's see what we're going to get in console. Yeah. Okay, let's run this application. Here you go. We get this memory address. So this is the memory address of this variable a. So to get the value of the variable a using this pointer PA, I have to use this asterisk before the pointer. This operation is known dereferenced a pointer. So let's run again this application. And now, as you can see, I get the value of this variable a in this way, using this asterisk before the pointer. So this operation is known dereferenced a pointer, and in this way you can get the value of the variable which the pointer is pointing to. Yeah. Also, very often a pointer is used to get a space of memory. Yeah, I'm going to declare another pointer, let's say pb, and I'm going to use this keyword new to allocate a memory to this pointer, and I'm going to declare a type as well for this memory allocation. And let's copy this line with the Ctrl+C and paste it here with Ctrl+V. I'm going to cut off this line, yeah, and here I'm going to remove this asterisk, and I'm going to use this pointer PB. Yeah, let's run again this application, and what I get again here is the memory address of this memory allocation produced by this new keyword. Yeah, and if I'm going to assign a value for this pointer BP, let's say 100, and I'm going to run again this application. As you can see, I get the same result. So the memory address of this memory allocation, yeah, and not the value of this pointer 100. If I want to get the value of this pointer, which this pointer was initialized, this 100, I have to dereference this pointer. How I can dereference a pointer? I have to use this asterisk for the name of the pointer. I run again this application, and here you go. Now I get the value of this pointer, the value which this pointer was assigned using this memory allocation created by this keyword new. So that's all for today. So a pointer is a variable which stores the memory address of another variable. The pointer is able to point to address memory of another variable. It's very important to know the difference between the address of operator, which will produce the memory address the pointer will store, and the ability that a pointer to display the value of the variable which the pointer refers to. If you want to display the value of the variable which the pointer refers to, you have to dereference a pointer. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time.